I learned alphabets big and lowercase. B. B for banana. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cake. D for dolphin. D for duck. E for elephant. And lowercase E for egg. F for fish. F for flower. G for gorilla. G for goat. H for hen. Lowercase H for hat. I for igloo. I for inkpot. J for joker. And J for jacket. K for king. K for kite. L for line. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for man. N for nose. And N for neck. O for octopus. O for ostrich. P for parrot. And last P lowercase P pigeon. Then start learn again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. I meet you next video. Bye.